It gives me much pleasure to be here this morning. Our respected chiefs from the different landowning units, the special administrator, the former administrator, the wonderful citizens of Ra and Rakiraki town itself. Like I said, it gives me much pleasure to be here this morning. As the Deputy Permanent Secretary highlighted, the opening of this market with the extension and the modernization of the market is not just part of the Bainimarama government's way of providing better facilities for everybody throughout Fiji, but it is also to empower all of you. What I want to highlight today is very briefly and put in very simple terms what an extension of a market can do, what the modernization of a market can do. When you have better facilities, for example, in a market, it makes people want to come to the market. It's good, looks good, it's clean, there's more space. The people who actually sell at the market don't have to sit out on the street, in the sun, in the rain. They have a roof over their head. And when people feel good about the environment, they will feel good about life in general. When they feel good about life in general, they will be more productive than what they were before. That's at one level. At the second level, what it does is that it creates business. It creates enterprise. Because when people become more productive, when there are better facilities, people will want to go out and do business. The lady who sells vegetables, who sells dalos, the lady who makes handicraft, they will be able to ply their goods, they will be able to display their goods in a lot better environment. So the people who want to come and buy it will be more attracted to coming to that place. As you know, that this part of Viti Levu has been for a very long period of time, in one form or the other, been generally neglected compared to Suva and the Queen's Road side. But now with the opening up of the tar sealing, I should say, of the entire length of the road on King's Road, you will see a lot more traffic flowing. I'm sure many of you have already experienced that. Today when you drive from Korovo to Rakiraki, there are many villages, for example, along the roadside who are selling dalo, who are selling bananas, who are selling tapioca, who are selling breadfruit. They never used to do that before. People actually did not stop by. Now people are actually stopping, there's a lot more traffic. In the same way, when people get to know, and there's a lot more traffic coming this way, they know that there's a nice market in Rakiraki, they'll stop here. I'm wearing this today, this necklace. This is made by some ladies in Nanronga. But these weren't ever sold before in many of the hotels. If you go to many of the handicraft stores in Nandi or Suva, etc., they will sell these shell necklaces that come from Philippines, that come from China. And when the tourists come to Fiji, and when we're selling this handicraft, they actually think it's made in Fiji. So we are not benefiting from it. The ladies who can make this, they're not benefiting from it. This is why we have Buy Fijian, Fijian made. So we want to up the level of these products. We want the foreigners who come to our country to know that these products are made authentically by Fijian people in Fiji. And the tourists don't mind paying more dollars for it because they know it's authentic. They know it's made in Fiji. In the same way, if you travel overseas, when you visit a country, you want to buy the product from that country, not a product that's made in some other country. So this is the synergy. This is what we're trying to do. We are promoting, you'll see at the entrance of the town, you'll see those banners up about Buy Fijian, Fijian made. We're not only trying to ensure that these products get highlighted, but we're also trying to ensure that people who make these products actually have jobs. And they get paid well for it. And jobs are sustained. If more money stays in Fiji, we're able to build better roads, we're able to build better hospitals, we're able to build better markets. And this is precisely what the Bainimarama government has been doing over the past number of years. We're also carrying out major market works in other areas where we are building, for example, shelter facilities for women In Suva it's been done. A new one will be done in Nandi very soon. It's already under construction. We're doing a similar one in Singatoka. There'll be a similar one done, upgrade in Lambasa. There's extension being carried out to Lotoka. Markets have generally been neglected because some governments have tended to forget the people at the lower end of the socio-economic scale. So the poor people tend to get neglected. We believe that the power must rest with the people at the lower end of the socio-economic scale. This is how we lift people out of poverty. This is how we empower people. So ladies and gentlemen, it is through your contribution, it is through your ability to be able to recognize this new market, direct more traffic to this market, that the town of Vaileka, Rakiraki will do a lot better. You'll be able to have more people coming to the market, but it doesn't mean they'll only spend their money at the market. They'll be able to go and perhaps buy some food at the restaurant. They might go and use the facilities and buy some bread. This is how the town becomes bigger. So it's all done with a plan. And we want you to participate in the plan. And I'd like to thank everybody that's been involved in this particular project. I don't want to make a long speech. We can speak for hours about these wonderful things that are being done. But I'd like to specifically focus. The JS Hill was the contractor for this particular project. The former SA was involved in this project, and the current SA has also been very much part of this process. I'd like to thank them for their contribution, and the many other people who have contributed their views and their ideas and their thoughts. And I'd like to ask all of you in please putting your hands together for all the people who've been involved in this project, please.